Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Recently, Sandy and I were cruising in the Mediterranean Sea and we stopped at the city of Kusadasi, located on the southwestern corner of the large country of Turkey. And on our way back from the ancient biblical city of Ephesus, we stopped at a silk rug making factory, and we thought we would like to share with you how silk is made. Silkworms feed on the mulberry plant for about 40 days, and then they spin a cocoon. And the cocoon is what silk is made from. And the process was fascinating. We actually saw how they produce silk from the cocoon. So here is the cocoon. It's about the size of my thumb, and the worm is inside. The silkworm spins a continuous thread of silk around itself to form a protective shell as it prepares to metamorphose into a butterfly. The silk cocoons are then harvested, and the cocoons are put into steam or hot boiling water that dissolves the sticky substance that is around the cocoon, and releases the strands, the one continuous strand, and then the cocoons are put into a tub of water where then the strands are gathered into a singular strand, as you see the lady doing here, and then they are woven together in a kind of a loose knit strand, and then they are put on a reel, and many strands are then wrapped up on the wheel. It's a fascinating process until slowly the cocoons are all spun into strands, and then the strands are woven into fabric, or in this case, this is a rug factory, into rugs. And here we see a worker, a craftsman, weaving a rug by hand, and you see in the background some beautiful Turkish rugs. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more interesting videos just like this one.